Hello to all our viewers today.
I'm Bilal.
I'm Lustre. I'm the boss. And behind the camera we have Malabana. And we are Mill Academy. Today we will talk about special products.
But before we test ourselves, first we will have a discussion.
Let's see if we can catch up.
Today we are here to discuss special products, but first we need to know what special products are. Special products are patterns that make multiplication of polynomials easier and faster. In special products, there are different types and names of factors and products. The first factor is a plus minus b squared, and it will yield the answer a squared plus minus 2ab plus b squared. So using the example of 2x minus 4 squared, you'll get 2x squared, which is 4x squared. Then 2ab, which is negative 16x. Then b squared, which is 16. So that we'll get the final answer of 4x squared minus 16x plus 16.
So for our second special product, we'll be looking at a plus minus b times a minus plus b. This will give us the answer of a squared minus b squared. So for our example, 2x minus 4 times 2x plus 4, we will simply use the FOIL method. So first, we will multiply the first terms. 2x times 2x. This will give us the answer of 4x squared. Next, we will multiply the outside terms. 2x times 4, which will give us 8x. Next, we'll multiply the inside terms, which is negative 4 and 2x, which will give us negative 8x. And lastly, we'll multiply negative 4 and 4, which will give us negative 16. To simplify our final answer, we will combine like terms, and since we have positive 8x and negative 8x, we can cancel these out, which will give us the final answer of 4x squared minus 16.
The third special product is a cube of a binomial. You are given a plus minus b raised to the third power. This will give a product of a raised to the third power plus minus 3a squared multiplied to b plus 3ab squared plus minus b cubed. For our example, we will be using 2x minus 4 cubed. We will now multiply it. So we will get 2x raised to the third power plus 3 times 2x raised to the second power multiplied to negative 4 plus 3 multiplied to 2x multiplied to negative 4 raised to the second power plus negative 4 cubed. Our final answer would be 8x cubed minus 48x squared plus 9x minus 64.
For our next special product, we have a square of a trinomial. We have here a plus b plus c squared, which will give us a product of a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2ac plus 2bc. For our example, we have 2x minus 4z plus 5 squared. So substituting the values to a, b, and c, the final answer will become 4x squared plus 16z squared plus 25 minus 16xz plus 20x minus 40z.
Special product, we have a binomial times a special multinomial. So in this case, if it's a plus b, then it'll be a squared minus ab plus b squared for the multinomial, and the answer will be a cubed plus b cubed. But if the binomial has a negative in it, so a minus b, the multinomial will have a squared plus ab plus b squared, and the final answer will be a cubed minus b cubed. So for example, using x plus 2y times x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, we'll get a cubed times b cubed plus b cubed. So it'll be x cubed plus 8y cubed. Okay, so for our first example, we'll be simplifying the polynomial expression 5x cubed minus 9y4 to the power of 4 squared. Since the equation follows a special product for square of a binomial, we will first get the square of the first term. So the square of the first term is 25x to the power of 6. The term is raised to 6 because when there's an exponent in the term being raised to a certain power, the exponent will be multiplied to the certain power. This is a common misconception among different people. The next term would be the first term multiplied to the second term multiplied to 2. So the second term of the simplified expression would be minus 90x cubed y to the power of 4. Then the last term of the polynomial expression would be the square of the second term. So the square of the second term is 81 to the power y to the power of 8. We got the last term and its exponent since we did the same thing as we did to the first term. For our next example, we are going to find the product of the polynomial expression 5d minus 2d cubed times 25c squared plus 10c d cubed plus 4d to the power of 6. So since a plus minus b times a squared minus plus ab equals b squared is equal to a cubed plus minus b squared, b cubed, we're going to cube each term in the binomial in order to get the product of the expression. For the exponents, we are supposed to add the exponents. After getting the cubes of each term in the binomial, the simplified final answer we're going to get is 125c cubed minus 8d to the power of 9.
Okay, so for the last question, we have x cubed minus 2y to the power of 4 times x cubed plus 2y to the power of 4 times x to the power of 6 plus 4y to the power of 8. So first we times these, the first two, which will give us x to the power of 6 minus 4y to the power of 8. And the last one is x6 plus 4y to the power of 8. So using the special product a plus minus b times a minus plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared, we will get a squared, which is x to the power of 6 squared, which is x to the power of 12, minus 4y to the power of 8, which is negative 16y to the power of 16.